How to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to present a step-by-step guide for mobile and PC users on missing add phone number option on Roblox. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open roblox.com, log into your account, then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and then go to settings. From here, go to account info and then check your birthday. If you're under 13, Roblox hides the add phone number option. And if you're under 13, you can't change your age. Consider creating a new account with the correct age, that is 13 plus. After that, use a web browser, not the app, and then close the Roblox application. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, and then go to account info like this and check if the add phone number option is now visible. But before that, you need to verify your age. So go ahead and verify your age first, and then you'll be able to do it. And if it's still not working, you can try a different device or a different browser and contact the Roblox support if nothing else works. Fill out the form and submit the form and wait for their response. So if you're 13 or older and using a browser in desktop mode, the add phone number option should now be visible in your account info. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.